Here's something most people don't find out until the truck is outside. Your entire kitchen can arrive as one pallet, set down at the end of your driveway, and nobody is carrying it in. That part, and what it costs, is often not in the quote. This example quote says $13,580. The number is made up, but the pattern is real. The truck, the installer, and the dumpster can all be extra. In episode 1, we read the 7 sections of a cabinet quote. This is Quote Anatomy, episode 4. The charges that show up after the quote, delivery, installation, and the paper you should never sign without reading. Start with delivery. Industry buying guides are blunt about it. Cabinet delivery is rarely free. It's usually a flat fee, or priced by the size of your order. And it should be spelled out in writing before you sign, not discovered on the invoice. If you're buying ready to assemble, your kitchen ships as flat-packed boxes on a freight pallet, often the whole kitchen on a single pallet, and freight pricing has fine print of its own. One national RTA seller's terms say shipping estimates aren't guaranteed because carrier rates and fuel charges change. So the delivery line isn't just a number, it's a number with conditions. Now the word that surprises almost everyone, curbside. In typical freight terms, residential delivery means curbside delivery. The pallet is dropped where your driveway meets the street. The driver is not bringing boxes into your garage, up your steps, or into the kitchen. A lift gate, the platform that lowers the pallet off the truck, is itself an optional service on many carriers. So before delivery day, answer one question. Who is physically carrying 40 boxes inside? If the answer is you, recruit help before the truck arrives, not after. When the truck arrives, the most expensive thing you can do takes 5 seconds. Signing the delivery receipt without looking. Freight guides and retailer terms agree. Inspect the shipment while the driver is standing there, and write every dent, crack, and missing box on the delivery receipt before you sign it. Signing clear means you've told the carrier everything arrived in good order, and that makes damage claims much harder afterward. Photograph anything questionable. And the clock matters. Concealed damage windows are short. One national RTA seller's terms give you 14 days to report damage or missing items, or claims can be denied. The paper on the truck is a legal document. Treat it like one. Then there's installation, frequently a separate cost, and sometimes a separate contractor entirely. Cost guides put basic install labor at roughly $100 to $300 per cabinet. Guide ranges, not bids. But the fine print is what the base number leaves out. Tearing out and disposing of your old cabinets? Typically a few $100s on its own. Wall prep, drilling and mounting your hardware, crown, trim, and toe kick labor. Plumbing and electrical are separate trades. They're almost never in a cabinet install quote. Permits, where required. And if you bought ready to assemble, assembly itself can add 30 to 50% to the install labor. An honest installation bid itemizes every task. A single number that just says install is a question you haven't asked yet. 3 questions before you sign anything. 1. Is delivery in the quote or on top of it? And is it curbside or inside? 2. What exactly does installation include? Itemize task by task. 3. What is my damage claim window? And what do I need to write on the delivery receipt? Get those 3 in writing, and the after the quote charges stop being surprises. Next in quote anatomy, the deposit and change orders, the money you commit before a single box exists. If this series is saving you money, the like button is the fastest thank you, and subscribe so episode 5 finds you, right here, on the Reno Ledger. Episodes 1 through 3 are linked below. Read the quote before you sign the quote.